Hello, I am Bruce Middleton. My dad and my big brother playing Mortal Kombat. Let's see what they're up to. Hold on, wait a second. Boing! I heard that. That should not be on video. Oops. I'm gonna get a better angle. Okay, there we go. I think that's a good. No. Yeah, what? I'm now starting parts. This is part 1, this is part 2. Actually, mine.